Actor Shakti Kapoor's son Siddhant Kapoor was detained for allegedly taking drugs during a party at a Bengaluru hotel, the police said. Acting on a tip-off, police raided the party at a hotel and sent samples of around 35 guests for medical tests. 5 guests tested positive for drugs and Siddhant Kapoor was one of them. Officials said Siddhant Kapoor was invited as a DJ at the party. 5 more people have been taken into custody. A total of 5 people have been arrested, including Siddhant Kapoor, after they tested positive for consuming drugs. They have all been charged under the narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, said the police.
Fights against the drug menace in Bangalore city. Yesterday night, we have conducted a raid on a hotel wherein a party was being conducted. Out of that, 35 people were sent for medical exam, and out of that, 5 people tested positive for drugs. So we have taken those 5 people into custody, and we are investigating the case further. I don't know about his profession, but he was acting as a DJ here. He was playing the music here, and yes, he also has been secured as his medical test. He has proved positive for certain drugs.
Is there any politician children who have been also, because there are reports that few influential politician children were also part of this particular drug party?
Yesterday, out of the 35 people tested, 5 were tested positive. Out of that, nobody is from any political background.
Sir, how much drugs have been seized, sir? How much drugs?
After these people were secured, people further searched the premises. During that search, we have found 2 packets lying near the dustbin. In one packet, there were 7 tablets of MDMA, and another packet contained ganja. So, because of that search, we also have included 22A of NDPS Act and 22B of NDPS Act. Yes, they shall be.
Sir, who was the organizer of this party and was hotel? What was the role about the hotel, sir?
Recently, there was a meeting where it was specifically told that there shall not be such kind of illegal activity that is to be allowed in their premises. In spite of that this has happened. But as far as we see, there was this event was not a invitation only event. So we cannot at this point of confirm whether there was part of this hotel in this case.
Okay. And what section is put, sir?
Section 22A, 22B and 27B of NDPS Act.